VinFast LUX A2.0 is a four-door executive sedan produced by Vietnamese automaker VinFast since 2019. LUX A2.0 represents VinFast's entry into the global automotive market and showcases the company's commitment to producing high-quality vehicles. Design-wise, the VinFast LUX features an elegant and contemporary exterior. The vehicle exhibits a sleek and aerodynamic profile with smooth lines and bold front grille, giving it a distinctive and sophisticated appearance. It incorporates modern design elements while maintaining a sense of timelessness. Inside of this car, attention to detail and luxurious touches can be observed. The cabin offers a spacious and comfortable environment with premium materials and finishes. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, providing both comfort and style for occupants. Advanced technology and features are also present, including a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen, infotainment system, and various connectivity options. Under the hood, the VinFast LUX A2.0 is equipped with a range of powertrain options. The sedan offers both gasoline and hybrid versions, providing customers with choices that suit their preferences and needs. The performance capability of the LUX aims to deliver a smooth and responsive driving experience combining power and efficiency. In terms of safety, VinFast LUX A2.0 is equipped with a comprehensive set of features to ensure the well-being of its occupants. These include multiple airbags, electronic stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, and more. The vehicle is designed to meet global safety standards and undergoes rigorous testing to ensure reliability and occupant protection. VinFast's commitment to sustainability is also evident in the LUX A2.0. The hybrid variant of the sedan incorporates an electric motor alongside its internal combustion engine, promoting fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. This aligns with VinFast's vision of contributing to a greener future and promoting environmentally friendly mobility solutions. Price of such car around $65,000. The LUX A2.0 is powered by a 2.0-liter BMW engine, turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol, that is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So engine is in front and it's a rear-wheel drive. VinFast offers autopilot features, advanced automatic emergency braking, automatic emergency steering, emergency lane keeping, and highway autopilot.